Now, let's talk about list features, menus, and actions. I will quickly go through the UI elements on the page, but I will have separate videos explaining each of them in detail. On the very left on the title bar, you can see the list controls, which is the list context menu. You can also see the list context menu by clicking on the table name, which is, in this case, incidence context menu. Alternatively, right-clicking on the list title bar will allow you to see the list context menu. Next, you can see the filter icon, which allows you to see the list of filters you can apply on the list or apply some sorting. You can then see the natural language filter, which allows you to ask questions to see the results on the lists. You can search on the list based on number of criteria. On the right, you can see the icon for the activity stream. You can select the cogwheel icon to personalize the lists. You can then see the Actions menu, which allows you to select certain actions on the selected rows. There is a New button here, which allows you to create a new record. In this case, selecting the New button will take you to the incident form, where you can create a new incident record. Then you can see the list of filters that are applied to these lists, which we also call Breadcrumb. On the actual lists, you can see a magnifying glass, which allows you to search for certain values on each column. This is called column search. Next to each column header, you can see column options or column context menu. Clicking on it allows you to see the list of options. You can achieve the same by right-clicking on the column header. You may find different options depending on the record type, the field data type, and the different logics that are applied. There's also a menu at the field level where you can see by right-clicking on that certain value on a field. This is the field context menu or right-click menu. Down on the list, you can see the page navigation, which allows you to go to a certain page in the list, go to the next page, previous page, first page, or last page. Last but not least, you can see the response time indicator, which shows the processing times, including how much time it takes for network, server, or browser to load the page.